Wefit365 is not just another workout app. It's a complete fitness ecosystem designed to elevate your training experience and connect you with a vibrant community. Here's how we're transforming the way you work out. 1. With Wefit365, you can seamlessly monitor every aspect of your workouts. Our app tracks your exercises, sets, reps, and overall progress, providing you with detailed analytics to help you optimize your performance and reach your fitness goals faster. 2. Building a community from Web 2 to Web 3. Wefit365 bridges the gap between traditional fitness communities and the decentralized future. Engage with fellow fitness enthusiasts, share your achievements, and participate in challenges. Our transition from Web 2 to Web 3 means you'll be part of a forward-thinking network where your contributions and interactions are valued and rewarded. 3. Training rewards with ICP tokens. Earn rewards as you work out. Wefit365 integrates ICP Internet Computer Protocol tokens, allowing you to earn crypto for your training efforts. The more you engage with the app and meet your fitness goals, the more ICP tokens you can accumulate. 4. Convert prizes to Bitcoin. Maximize the value of your rewards by converting your ICP tokens to Bitcoin. Wefit365 ensures you can easily exchange your hard-earned crypto prizes into Bitcoin, giving you flexibility and the potential for greater financial growth. Join the fitness revolution with Wefit365 and experience the future of workout motivation and community.